So today I'm talking about a P0159 code, what it is and how you can go about fixing it. And so what is a P0159 code? Well, it's an O2 sensor circuit slow response, Bank-2 Sensor-2. And so what does this mean? Well, located down on the exhaust, there's what's called oxygen sensors, and they do two things. The first thing they do is they monitor the catalytic converter, and then the second thing they do is they monitor how much oxygen was burnt off during combustion, and then the computer uses that information to adjust the air-fuel ratio mixture that's going into the cylinders. But when you get this P0159 code, the computer's seeing a problem with one of these sensors, mainly the Bank-2 Sensor-2 O2 sensor, and so it's going to be troubleshooted to know why. When you have a V6 or V8 engine, the engine's going to have two banks. Bank 1 is always decided the engine with the number one cylinder, and the opposite of that is Bank 2. So if you Google your engine at like cylinder location, and you locate the number one cylinder on that engine, since there is differences, then that side of the engine is going to be Bank 1, and the opposite of that is going to be Bank 2. And so what would be some possible causes of a P0159 code? Well, the first thing that could cause is that Bank-2 Sensor-2 O2 sensor that has just gone bad and just needs to be replaced. The basics of what's going on with these sensors is that there's going to be two on each bank of the engine. Sometimes there could be three, but usually there's two. Sensor 1 is going to be located up before the catalytic converter, and it's also called the upstream O2 sensor. And Sensor 2 is going to be located after the catalytic converter, sometimes right on it, and it's also called the downstream O2 sensor. And when you get this P0159 code, Bank-2 Sensor-2 O2 sensor is going to be the one to go and locate. There's some different ways to go about testing these sensors. There's some good videos on that. I've made videos on that. I'll put a link in the description box below if you want to check that out. But the first thing that's going to cause this is a bad Bank-2 Sensor-2 O2 sensor. The next thing that could cause this is the wiring going to that sensor. If there's an open, there's a short, a blown fuse, anything like this, then that's going to cause problems. There can be different types of O2 sensors. There could be 3-wire sensors or these 4-wire sensors. These 4-wire sensors are very common. And what's going on with these sensors is that 2 wires are going to be going to what's called a heater element. And these O2 sensors, they can't get good readings until they get hot. And so that the computer doesn't have to wait for the engine to warm up and the exhaust to warm up, they built in these heater elements that help it quickly warm up. These heater elements usually stay on while the engine's cold and then shut off. And then there's going to be 2 wires going back to the computer that's for the oxygen sensor part. These can also be on a fuse or a relay, so it's a good idea to go and check those. If you do go to work on the wiring on a vehicle with the P0159 code, it's going to be a good idea to get a wiring diagram for that specific vehicle. That way you know for sure what's going on. But if you have a multimeter, you can go and check the wiring. Be sure you're getting voltage. Be sure you got good grounds and that there's no open or short or anything like this. Because the next thing that could cause this is that there's some kind of wiring problem. And the last thing on the list is going to be an exhaust leak. If there's an exhaust leak and outside air is getting into that exhaust, then that can throw these sensors off, cause them to get bad readings or inaccurate readings and things like that, just cause issues. So it is a good idea to keep a lookout for any kind of exhaust leak, because if there is, then that's going to cause problems. So the last thing on the list is going to be an exhaust leak. And so that's basically it. I just wanted to give a basic overview of how you go about fixing a vehicle with the P0159 code. If you have anything to add, please comment down below. If you have any questions, ask me. I'll try to answer them. If this video helps you, please click like, please click subscribe, and have a good day.